Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Leo de My Spanish Lesson y hoy les voy a explicar sobre nuestro método, nuevo prisma. Hello guys, my name is Leo from My Spanish Lesson and today I'm going to explain you everything about our method, the method we use to teach Spanish, which is Nuevo Prisma. As you can see, this is the method for the level A1. Level A1. This is the book we are going to use in our Spanish course for beginners, okay? Which lasts for 5 weeks, 3 hours every week. So this book, this manual that you are going to receive included in the price of the course, it contains 10 lessons, okay? 10 lessons. So to see the whole book, we need 15 weeks. So we divide it into 3, okay? 3. So in this elementary course, Spanish course for beginners, we will see the first 3 lessons. So 3 units, sorry. When we finish those 3 units, then we will go to the other 3. So it will be 6. And then the next one it will be the rest, which is 4 units. Okay, so it's divided into 3. This method is recommended because it's the best in the market right now. Nuevo Prisma. It's an excellent book. With this book, you can work your speaking, your reading, your writing, your listening, and it complements everything with grammar and conversation exercises. So that's why we recommend this material. So, hope to see you in my Spanish lesson. So don't forget to book your course, and I'll see you in Holborn, in London, here in my Spanish lesson. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Adiós. Hasta luego.